A shocking incident has come to light from Odisha's Ganjam district, where a man allegedly strangled his wife to death before surrendering to the police. The incident was reported from Pochalundi village under the Balipadar outpost of Buguda police station limits. The accused has been identified as Manoj Kumar Jina. According to reports, Manoj, allegedly under the influence of alcohol, got into a domestic dispute with his wife. The argument soon turned violent and he reportedly strangled her to death. After committing the crime, the accused surrendered before the police. On receiving information, police personnel rushed to the spot, recovered the body and began an investigation. The accused has been detained and officials are now probing the circumstances that led to the crime, including the possible role of alcohol and any history of domestic violence. In a similar incident earlier this month, a man allegedly shot his wife dead in Katapanga village under Gochapada police station in Kandhamal district. Police arrested the accused and seized the country-made gun used in the crime. Investigations in both cases are currently underway.
साइकिल चेन रे मार देकरी फोन कला ज्वर होता मरीगला जो से दिन कथा जो दिन मृत्यु है से दिन राति 9टा जाए कथा।